All these things are cake. Every single thing here. Everything. Now, wow.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Got small shops. I'll just give you a welcome. One of them, the marathon match, 11 hours from morning, we were about yes, I from celebrating. So I
So guys, we are in the country home of Chief Innoson Chukwuma, the CEO of Innoson Vehicles, for his 64th birthday celebration. As you can see, the house is filled up. This birthday celebration was not planned, but you know, when a great man celebrates, people always turn up for him. That's exactly what's happening here tonight. So we are here to celebrate Chief Innoson Chukwuma, the CEO of Innoson Vehicles, Ifedịasọ, Nnewi.
Okay, Steve.
On you know.
I got all happy about that call to them. Kind of kishishi.
From what now, yeah, yeah. You just go and Ike. Yeah, I can too. Okay, like that. Hey. Now creativity, you know, wow. All these things are cake. Every single thing here. Everything. Now, wow.
Okay.
Unveil this cake well. I want to unveil this cake. I want to where's the table? Nothing down there, man.
Nnewi. Triangular. Yes, that's right. This way I can get man.
Because less noise. Because my good
Quiet. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. New record, I want us to know that whatever that is happening here was not planned, and we didn't plan today to have any form of birthday. But we have come to realize that our chairman is a global icon. Of course. He doesn't want to celebrate birthday. People from every walks of life will always come to celebrate with you.
That's right.
I have made to understand there is a team, apart from other people that have come from different parts of the state, there's also a team that came from Owerri through a marathon just to come and celebrate him. So we made our chairman to understand that you need to come out and welcome the people that are visiting you. In as well that he wanted to rest today, that is his birthday. Permit me, not with his permission, but I have to announce it that today that his birthday, he has made a very huge donation to the Nnewi diocese. So he felt that one is okay. But we made him to understand he's a global icon. A lot of people are here to celebrate with him, that he needs to come. So we have brought out this cake to come and celebrate with him, and we pleaded with him, let him come. Let's just sing a happy birthday to him. And he has graciously accepted to that. So please, with one voice and in one accord, let's be on our feet as we sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord bless to you. Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Welcome the one of Nnewi, not local government, the deputy chairman of Nnewi, not local government, Honorable Chris Obiora. Ezigbo mmadụ. Ezigbo